What insight into our legal system have we got because of a journalist? That the agreed facts aren't necessarily all of the facts. By the way, the agreed facts are the bits of the case the prosecution and the defence both agree on. So as a member of the public, we need to be aware not to assume the agreed facts contain all of the facts. What, you ask? Does that mean all the facts or details weren't included in the court case? Yes, and the law allows it. By the way, I have no association with any journalists or newspapers or TV channels. Many of the TV and newspaper journalists publish interesting content about our courts. This is just one example. The story was published in February 2025 and the case is about organised crime. Yes, I don't follow the organised crime cases because I follow the disorganised petty crimes of the Hunter Valley. Anyways, read the story if you want to know more about whatever the defendant was charged with. The story discusses the agreed facts. Here's a quote: "Court documents now reflect a completely sanitised version of that day," end quote. The story claims the agreed facts no longer include references to hunting knives and the police discharging a firearm during the arrest. Interesting. Where in our law does it say that you have to present all of the details in a court case? So does that mean the prosecution and the defence can agree to remain silent on some of the aspects of the case? And if this can happen in organised crime cases, can this happen in other cases? Could you negotiate out details of petty crimes? So as a member of the general public and as a courtroom audience member and as newspaper readers, we need to be aware of what our law allows. In a court case, the agreed facts aren't necessarily all of the facts. By the way, I'm at Goulburn Local Court. Now, I'm not sure about the architectural style. I've read it's Victorian Free Classical. However, the sign says Victorian Italianate. So which is it?